Welcome back to Zan's Weapon Depot, where we break down weapons that matter, the ones that change how wars are fought. Episode 50 was about legacy. This one is about momentum. We're back on schedule, back in the fight, and we're going to keep hitting it hard every single week. So today, we're talking about a weapon that has quietly changed ground combat forever, the SwitchBlade. A drone, a missile, a loitering munition, and a one-way decision. Let's get into it. SwitchBlade is a simple concept and brutal in execution. It's a man-portable loitering munition carried in a rucksack. It's launched from a tube and controlled by the Marine or sailor who brought it. You don't fire and forget it. You fly it, you wait, and when the moment is right, you commit. It comes in two main variants, the SwitchBlade 300, which is built for personnel, light vehicles, and suppression. It's fast, quiet, and surgical. And then there's the SwitchBlade 600, which is built to kill armor, main battle tanks, hardened targets, and real battlefield threats. The old infantry kill chain was simple. You spot a target, you call it up the chain, you wait for clearance, and you wait for an asset, and you hope that nothing changes before the strike lands. SwitchBlade collapses all of that. Now it's you spot, you launch, and you kill. The operator stays in the loop the entire time. You can wave it off, you can abort strike, and you can even re-engage, and that matters. It's not autonomous slaughter, it's controlled violence at the speed of relevance. We've seen SwitchBlade used extensively in real combat. Ukraine showed the world what loitering munitions look like when they're no longer theoretical. Armor destroyed from above, vehicles hit when they're weakest, enemy troops pinned down by a weapon that they can't see, but they can hear. And the footage doesn't lie. This isn't a hype video, it's proof. SwitchBlade didn't just add a new weapon, it changed who holds power on the battlefield. And for the first time, an infantry marine carries an organic precision strike capability right on their back. No air tasking order, no fire mission delays, or waiting on somebody else's timeline. It is speed and flexibility. And when lethal authority collapses down to the squad level, discipline matters more than ever. SwitchBlade rewards patience, judgment, and restraint. This is where modern war is going. Smaller units with faster decisions and more precision. There will be less distance between judgment and consequence. SwitchBlade isn't just the future because it flies, it's the future because it trusts the warfighter. And that's all the time that we have for this week's episode of Zan's Weapon Depot. If you're still here, thank you. We're back on tempo. We're going to keep bringing you real systems, real footage, and real analysis every week. If you've enjoyed this episode, be sure to lock on to those like and subscribe buttons. And until next time, stay locked, stay loaded, and remember, when air power fits in a rucksack, every step forward carries weight. Semper Fi.